Okay. Just leave it like that. Don't want to damage it, but so we had to take out this tips. Yeah, show you. Then you flip up this. See that? You tilt it up. You pull out this. Okay, here we go. There's so many screws. And just make it simple. Just cut this, because this is old screen. Just use a blade to cut it. That's it. It's easier. Later on, I just add a piece of tip on it. It's much easier than peel off the old old tips. Okay, so I use a piece of sponge to transport the liquid glass. So I'm gonna flip over. Here we go. And just carry this, take it out. All right, perfect. Set it aside, and wow, set it far away. Okay, remember there's a screws 1, 2, 3, 4 that holding the plastic thing. Remove it. Okay. Okay, now we take out the plastic thing. Try to take it out. Okay. Let this end too. Don't want to damage it. Okay, we take it out already. So, and then we're gonna get the whole stack of the film, lay it back on the top of the liquid glass, so we can do it. We can reuse it later on. We can put it back. Remember when you remove this. Okay. I have a tip here. Grab it. You know, you don't want to lift finger mark. So remember this is on the top. Okay. Now we see the backlight, right? I mean assembly, see? I can pull it out, see? Oh, see? Because it gets hot, it melts down a little bit, so it stick to the plexiglass. Some I can take it out, see? Okay. Okay. So this is a 36 series. So let me set aside. I want to explain to you guys a little bit. It's basically, if you want to reuse that refractor, then you can use our 36 series because it's narrow. If you don't want to use this, and then you can use a 54 series mounted right here. Either way, it's up to you. Okay, but this case, since the beginning I show you this, so I'm going to use this skinny one. So just make a mark the wire come from this side. Okay, and basically we just cut the wire because we don't need this anymore. Well, you see the wires, the original lamp was so dark, but that's why, and it's almost broken. So that's why this picture is so dim. Okay. right. Okay, here's what I do. I peel off this a little bit on each end, at the double side tip, so a little bit higher, just on each end. So that way when we mount it back, both of them I did both. Okay, so now you're gonna mount it. Before you mount it, you're gonna put it back, see what the position you want to do it. Yeah, that's about right. Okay, so I'm gonna peel it off and peel off this side too. This thing is a little bit tricky to remove. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna mount it better and I can show you. Now you see, now staying flat. Okay, see this? Okay, do the same thing on the other one, and then we can put it back. I just finished this too. We are ready to put it back, but I show you another way to put it back the screen. Because you know when I disassembly, I took out this one first, but since all the markings here, so I will try first diffusion shoots, because we try different ways. So you remember this shiny sides on the top, so they were supposed to this way, the plexiglass in the back. So no, this is the marking. You see this? This is the marking, so it's easy to put it back. Oops. All right. See the marking? Perfect. Second thing, we're gonna put this plexiglass black. Then the last thing, we're gonna put the what we call it, the backlight. I mean the LED strips. Let's say we could put it this way, I think. Now this way, the markings here. Okay. How come it's not all the way in? Oh, here we go. There we go. Now you're gonna put this one. Because this thing, okay, so let me see here. Alright, here you go. Perfect, see that? It's much easier to put it back. Alright, same thing on this one. Here we go. Done deal.